Number 4, what is the x value of any holes in the graph of the following function? And then just like numbers 2 and 3, we've got trinomial over trinomial. Okay, so as you are getting used to, this is a factoring problem, your favorite type. We've got x squared plus 15x minus 324. That's going to factor into 2 binomials on the top. And then x squared minus 17x plus 60, that's 2 binomials on the bottom. Luckily, these are both easy trinomials because they are a values equal to 1, not greater than 1. So we can start all of these with x in the first spot. We can figure out our signs. These are going to multiply on top to make a negative number, so they'll be opposite signs. The larger number will be positive, so I'm going to keep that in mind. On the bottom, they're going to be the same sign because they're going to multiply to make a positive number, but they're both going to be negative because they're going to add to a negative number, okay? So the difficult part, especially when you've got a large number like 324, is just figuring out what these numbers are, okay? So let's come up with a list of all the numbers, which I'm sure there's going to be a ton. There's 1 times 324, 2 times 162, 3 times 108, 4 times, that one's easy, it goes into 32, 8 times and 4 once. 5 doesn't go in, 6 will go in. It'll go in 54 times. 7 is not gonna go in, neither will 8. 9 will go in. It will go in 36 times. 10 doesn't, 11 doesn't, 12 does go in 27 times. And that's the one that we are looking for because we know the larger number is positive, the smaller number is negative. These add up to be positive 15. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to use negative 12 right here and positive 27. And now on the bottom, I'm going to find the numbers that multiply to make 60. 1 and 60, 2 and 30. This is a much easier list. 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10. That's everything, I think. And the ones that add up to 17, because they're both going to be negative, is 5 and 12. So 5 and 12. Now a whole, which is what we're looking for, is the one that cancels out. So an asymptote is the one that doesn't cancel out, and the whole is the one that does. So x minus 12 is the one that cancels. So we set x minus 12 equal to 0, and we find that the whole is going to have an x value of 12. To find the y value, you'd plug it back in, but we don't need to do that. It just says the x value, so this is the answer to number 4. Thank you for watching.